All right, hello first graders. Welcome to Math Problem of the Day. Remember, I'll solve problem number 1 and you'll learn from the strategy, and then you will use the strategy to solve problem number 2. Don't forget to send that picture of your work to your teacher so you can be entered in this week's pizza raffle. All right, listen closely to the story. Picture the story in your brain so that you can figure out the action. John had 48 marbles. Kendall had 23 marbles. How many more marbles did John have than Kendall? Listen again. John had 48 marbles. Kendall had 23 marbles. How many more marbles did John have than Kendall? Ooh, when I hear how many more, I know we're comparing two different quantities. I know that John had 48 and Kendall had 23, so I need to find the difference between those numbers. First, I'm going to draw that bigger number because I know John had 48 and that's more. How can I draw 48 in tens and ones? Yes, 4 tens and 8 ones. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Great, and I can label with the word from the story. Those are John's marbles. Now, I know Kendall has 23 marbles. We want to know how many more John has than Kendall. Now, I know that there's 23 hiding inside John's because John's is the bigger number. So if I take away the 23 that's the same, the ones that are left over will be the how many more. So I know that we're comparing 48 to 23 and looking for that difference, so I'm going to take away the 23 to see what's left. How many 10s should I take away to take away 23? Yes, 2 10s. 1 10, 2 10s. And how many 1s in 23? Yes, 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now I need to figure out the difference. So I'm going to count what's left because that's how many more John has than Kendall. Count with me. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Circle that answer in the strategy. 25 more marbles. Now I need to write a number sentence to match what I did. I know first I drew all 48 of John's. I took away the 23 because that's how many Kendall had. And in the end, we had 25 left because that's how many more there were. 48 minus 23 equals 25. Excellent. Now it's going to be your turn to solve. Listen closely to the story. Think about what strategy you need to use to solve the story. Anthony baked 56 cupcakes. Caitlin baked 31 cupcakes. How many more cupcakes did Anthony bake than Caitlin? Listen again. Anthony baked 56 cupcakes. Caitlin baked 31 cupcakes. How many more cupcakes did Anthony bake than Caitlin? All right, Kipsters, make sure you are showing your work on a piece of paper, labeling those numbers as you count, writing a word from the story and a number sentence to match. Send that picture to your teacher to be entered in the pizza raffle this week. And if you have any extra time today, you should try thinking of your own how many more story problem where you're comparing two groups and see if your family members can solve it. All right, bye Kipsters, see you tomorrow.